Hi all, in this ICP, we have installed and downloaded the required softwares and packages to perform basic arithmetic operations and operations on string using Python. In this ICP, we have 4 tasks. First task is to state the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. Next one is we have to delete last 2 characters from a string and then print it. Print the resultant of a print the reverse of a resultant string. And next we have to take 2 numbers from the user and perform arithmetic operations on that. And the last one is to accept a sentence and then replace each occurrence of Python with the Python. Firstly, I have downloaded Anaconda package, and then I have downloaded PyCharm, and then I have given a interpreter to the PyCharm, which may be either base interpreter or anaconda.exe file. And then I have created a new project called ICP1 by just selecting file new project. And then in this we have 4 tasks, so I have taken 4 different files by just right clicking here, file new Python file, and just I have taken these 4 files. Our first task is to state the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. This is the first task. Nothing but here I have just used a print statement to display the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. I have just given all the differences here and then I have used print. I'll just run this. You can see the differences between Python 2 and Python 3. Our next thing is take a string as input and then delete last 2 characters of that string and then reverse that string and show the reversed string. Here I have taken string as input and then I just printed that string and then I performed delete operation on that string. Here 2 is used because we want last 2 characters to be deleted from that string, and I printed the deleted string. Now we want reverse of that resulted string, so just use the reverse function on the delete operation so that the string will be reversed. Let's see the output. String Python. See the deleted string. Last 2 characters ON are deleted, only PYTH are there, and the reverse string is HTYP. This is done. And next task is performing some basic arithmetic operations. Here I have selected 2 numbers, num1 and num2, and given as input. Here firstly default strings will be taken, so that we have to first declare int of that input, so that int will be taken. And by using basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, arithmetic operations, I have just used on those numbers, and using print statement I am displaying all the outputs. I'll just run this. Run arithmetic. First number I'll give it as 4. Second number I'll give it as 3. Here you can see sum is 7, difference is 1, product is 12, and division is 1.3. Last is we have to take a input from the user, and we have to replace the occurrence of Python with the Pythons without using result. So I have used replace function here. First I have taken a string input and then using replace function on that string, where all the Python are replaced with the Pythons, and I just printed that replaced string. I'll just run this. I'll give I love playing with Python. See, Python is replaced with Pythons. This is the end of the ICP. Thank you.